Hey everybody, this is Snug, and today we're going to be opening up the Kinder Beauty box. So let's see what we get this month. Okay, we're opening up the box. We have the card, and here's a little peek of what we have. The first thing I'm seeing is 100% pure, creamy, long-lasting pencil eyeliner. Glides easily onto lids to line and define your eyes. Flake-free application with every use. This shade comes in dark cacao. So let's see if we can get this open. It's free. Ooh. It's creamy. It's very creamy. And it's more of a, it's a brown, and you can smudge it out. It's nice to have a brown, and it's very creamy. So I'm really happy about that. Alright, next we have Watermelon and CoQ10 Facial Polish. Polish away dullness for a radiant looking, extra soft complexion using the gentle organic scrub, perfect for all skin types. And this value is for $39.95. So what is, let's see. Ooh. This is what is inside. It's not, so that's the way it comes. It has grit, but these are all natural products. It smells good. I like the way it smells. I like that. It'll come in handy. Alright, so we got an eyeliner, we got a face polisher. Next, we have lip and cheek tint. Eco Lip and Cheek Tint in pink. Looking for a pop of color without the additives? Multitasking Vegan Beauty Balm has a smooth, lightweight formula that delivers natural color to lips and cheeks. Okay, and this is for $8.99. So let's see. Oh, it just pulls right off. Ooh. That's a pretty shade. Can you see that? It's very light. I don't know if I would use this as a blush. I would definitely use this as a lip balm, quite honestly, for me. And it is very moisturizing, and it's all natural, so it's really good for you. So yeah, so that's something I'll use, and I'm very happy I got it. Next up, we have Glov Biobased Pocket Mirror. Want to create a flawless look wherever you are? So it's a $10 mirror. Oh, it's got a regular side and then a really big side. That is really nice. I like that. It's like a compact, but it's got the hard plastic. If you have a bag or you just want to put it in your car, in your glove compartment, it would be really safe in here. So that's really nice. And then last, we have Dewdrop Serum. This lightweight balancing oil delivers essential hydration, fatty acids, antioxidants to the skin, which result in a healthier looking complexion. With daily use, you will notice an even complexion and refreshingly hydrated skin. Dewy skin never looks so good, and this is valued at $30. So it's not filled all the way to the top. I would have to put this on at night. I mean, it's definitely for me. I have very dry skin, but this, I mean, you can see how it's shiny. I would have to wear this at night. It smells good though. I mean, it's not overpowering by any means. I would just say it smells fresh and clean. So this month I really liked the box that came. I like everything in it. I'll definitely get uses out of it. So we have the eye pencil, We have the cheek and lip tint. I would just use it on my lips. We have the oil. We have the exfoliating scrub for your face. And we have a pocket mirror, which I'm going to go put in my purse right when we're done, so I know I have it with me. I really like this. And with the case, it's a hard plastic. Looks like it's made out of recyclable plastic. So I really like that too. That is the August Blacks for 2020 of Kinder Beauty. And thank you so much for stopping and keeping me company while I opened up my surprises. Thanks. Bye.